Good morning, good morning. This is David Lundgren at the Digital Design Center. Today I want to do a quick training regarding duplication. And what I mean by duplication is not so much getting customers. We'll cover that in another training. But I talk about duplication of the system. So today we're going to go through 3 steps and I want you to get a pen and paper so you can, I'm not going to go into detail of the first 2 steps, but I will go into detail on the 3rd step. So what I mean by that is write down this link. The website is 805social.biz. 805 SOCIAL.biz. 805social.biz. Now, when you go to that website, this is the staged traffic system. So that's step 1. That's what you're looking at right here. And you can see I can go in here and set up this video. Now this video pulls in a lot of traffic. And you can see here the guy with the lion. And it's just amazing how this gets retweeted all over the place. I'm going to let you see the second lion. Just look at the size of his head compared to the other guy right there. So you can see that this is more of a, you know, we say funny, interesting, educational videos, you know, things like that. So this is more, I'd say more educational than anything. But you can see as you scroll down, this is like a newspaper. You can see the people coming in on the globe there. We've got self-guided tour. We've got our products down the right-hand side. So today we're going to show you how to integrate this within TaxBot, which is my #1 selling product. So go to, on your website, go to 805social.biz, and you're going to click on this little video. I'm just clicking on it. It's going to take you to the actual video, which you can go in here and watch. And it's going to go
right
over
now, as you're watching this video, thousands of people are tirelessly working to sell your product or service. They're creating and uploading viral videos you can use to drive a massive audience to your website. Audience that sees only your ads, your company, your products, and no one else's. It doesn't matter what industry you're in or what product or service you're selling. Staged turns your YouTube watching from just an enjoyable pastime into a traffic-driving moneymaker. You're not going to believe how simple it is. YouTube is the 3rd most visited site in the world. Every minute, 100 hours of videos uploaded to the site. Now, what if instead of randomly sharing viral videos, you could zero in on your target market? Then, with almost no effort, drive prospects to watch those videos on an automatically created web page that shows only your content or ads. That's staged. No paying for followers, no per-click charges, just massive, consistent traffic driven by video content you find online. And not just any content, viral videos that people will love to share with others. It's like having an army of marketing professionals working for you. YouTube and other video sharing sites tell you which videos are the most popular. Pick one that you think your social media followers will like. For each video you leverage, a new stage is automatically created from your choice of one of our free templates. Or you can create one uniquely branded to your company or product offer. And each stage takes only seconds to deploy. Stages are very attractive one-page websites that feature only your ads, your content, and your branding. Stage sends out a link with your personal message to a highly targeted audience on Twitter, Facebook, and other top social media automatically. You can launch several dozen stages each day, giving you up to 1,000 traffic pulling pages each month. And when you share viral videos that are viewed on your personal stage, your friends and followers share, then their friends share. But all they see is your video and your ads. This builds brand awareness, generating real-time engagement and getting more targeted eyes on your company. Your video plays, but that's just the beginning. You can have a call to action play in the middle of the video. After, when the main video ends, your stage seamlessly transitions to your auto sales page, a company teaser video that prompts your prospect to leave their details and join your marketing database. Your personal staged assistant will share with your social media friends the stages you create even while you sleep. Twitter Builder uses keywords to find people in your niche. Then, with just your mouse, you can rack up more than 100 followers in a minute. Plus, the one-click Stage It button, our full stats dashboard, lead capture forms, unlimited customer support and marketing resources, video tutorials, and more. Staged is perfect for businesses of any size, from large organizations with hundreds of sales reps down to one-person operations. Just choose the level you need and start reaping huge profits. Staged.
Okay, now that's the Staged system. I'm going to go ahead, and your next step is to click on Get Started Now, which just takes you to the next page. And it gives you a complete written overview of what you just saw on the video. But your next instructions is to go down here to the bottom and pick a package. We have packages like a couple bucks a day, $3 a day. I choose the premium package because it costs me 14 cents an hour, and I'm going to show you all the traffic that's coming in. So it's going to be up to you to pick a package, select a plan, and get started on Stage right here. All you do is click on Add to Cart. You'll see your sponsor, HBN Online, which is me. Fill out that form, and instantly you'll have your Stage system. Okay, that's step one. We went to 805social.biz. We clicked on the video, and we set up our Stage account. Okay, now let's go ahead and close this, and we're going to go to step two, TaxBot. Now this right here, if you go to greatapp.biz, write this down, greatapp.biz, greatapp.biz. I'm just showing you this so you can see what we're going to do with the share code. You can see the video will pop up. I'm not going to play the whole video, but you can go right here.
It's great
this
to see
video
you.
gets passed around like crazy.
Business has been good?
Decent.
So I'm going to pause the video. And I'm going to give you the share code, and it's going to pull across all these videos. I'm not going to name all 15, but these get passed around very quickly. You can see tax tip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How to get free gas in your car. Meals that make you money. Double your fun. Entertainment deductions. Golf. Home office tax deductions. Free sample your way to success. How to write off your kids. How to write off your vehicles. Testimonials. Tutorials. Even in Spanish. So these videos, I'm going to show you how to set this up. So this is your next step right here. You go to greatapp.biz, and you go down here and you click on this sign up right here. It takes you to the next page, which is this page. And right here, you can get a 2-week free trial. And you're just going to click on that. And it gives you a choice of either $9.99 customer account or $99 for the year. Now, note this. They're not charging you a credit card until your 2 weeks are up. So they're giving you 2 weeks to test it out, try it out, things like that. But they will give you the links, and that's the important part, because now we're going to move on to the third step. So let me close this out. So recap on step 2, go to greatapp.biz, watch the videos, decide if this is what you want to do, duplicate my success. This is my #1 selling product. So let me close this out. Now we're going to go back here. Let me close out the TaxBot. And we're going to go here, get rid of the Stage. We're going to go to Stage Members. Okay, let me show you what's happening. We set up our co-op where we're helping everybody. So I'm going to click on Dashboard. And you can see right now I've got my timer set from 8 in the morning to 6. So you can see it goes low right here because that's not within my time constraint. And you can see all of a sudden, we've got over 2,500 views in the last 24 hours. So I don't worry about the low number because, as I'll show you there, it's not within my timing. There's certain times that Twitter, LinkedIn, people look at their tweets, their messages, and it's normally during the daytime hours, specifically around noon to 5. So we've got the timer set up, and since I'm here, you can see we just inputted the co-op for the Twitter. We're now up to 155,000 followers in our system. So when we send out a message, it's going out to a lot of people. So let me show you real quick. I'm going to go to My Campaigns, and we're going to go right here. You can see it has, we're going to go to the TaxBot Master, which is 11GQS. That's the share code. Write that down. 11GQS, like George, Queen, Sam. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy that. And you can see the amount of visitors are just into that system. So to show you the timing is where we can control the timing every day. We're going to click on TaxBot Master. And this is identical to what you just saw. You can see it pulls over all the videos, all the graphics, everything is right there. So we have social targeting, and you can see I've got it pointing to my 10 Twitter accounts. I've got LinkedIn sitting there. I've got it set up for the number of stages per day. Now, the reason we do 33 a day, but I'm sharing it amongst 4 campaigns. So you can see the timing. I have it set from around 8 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, and the ending is around 20 hours, which is around 8 o'clock. So you can see right there, that's when I allow my tweets to go out for maximum visibility. And you can see right here, I've got all my channels set up and things like that. So I don't want to get into all the details here, so we're just going to hit exit. And I'm going to show you how quickly we can copy a campaign. This is for you now. So we're going to go in here, and I showed you the share code, which is right here, 11GQS. So we're going to go to the top. So pretend that you have your stage system set up. You're going to have the identical system right here, all the Twitter builder. I didn't show you that, but I can pull in, and this is where I do all my work and building my Twitter accounts and communicating, things like that. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to click on Campaigns, and right here, Create New Campaign. But before you click that button, right here, I was given a share code to use. Check that little box, click on Create New Campaign, and we're going to put in TaxBot Demo. That's just what I'm going to name it for this little demonstration. And the share code, I'm just going to paste right here, 11GQS. Write that down, because when you get into your stage account, whether you have one or you're going to get one, you need that share code. So we're just going to do this, create share code. Okay, we're done. What this just did is it pulled the share code, or the share code pulled the campaign, which was kind of like a template. Think of it as like a newspaper, and it's now in your account. Excuse me. I've been a little sick, so I'm trying to not cough in the recording here. You can see we can adjust the videos right here. We can go in and set this up. You'll notice on every banner there's a little green pencil, and that is the edit button where you can change the banner, you can change the redirect URL, and every little portion of this campaign has the same thing. So you can see right here, there's the code that pulls in this, and you can see right here, there's the code. And you got to remember, this is all done for you. So you can, and just to show new people, you can take this little arrow and move it down here. So there's no programming. You just click and hold and point. And so you can go down here, and the only thing that you would do is go into these individual settings right here and click and change the link. And this is my part of the link that makes it personal to me, and you would just change it and hit save. So it's very simple to do. And this is the area where the video will pull in. So by putting in the share code, it pulls this up. You do some minor editing with your links. And then just remember, exit means I want to save my work and exit. And that's all we're going to do. And right here, this would be your new stage campaign TaxBot demo. And got to remember, that would be your name right there. Just like I have TaxBot Master. And it would automatically give you a share code. Now let me show you this little trick. We're in the share code area that you pulled over. You did some minor editing with your links. Get rid of David Lundgren. Put your name and get rid. See it right here. My name is David Lundgren. You're just going to change this stuff out right here. You're going to change out maybe a phone number if you want one. The links. So just minor fine tuning. And when you exit this right here, it's actually going to give you a share code. Now, when you have this up and running for yourself, you're going to click on that campaign, and notice right up here, you've got a code that will, allow you to share that or duplicate that, for your team. So we'll show you that one once you get everything up and running. So it's so simple to do when you have a share code like 11GQS or any of my share codes, and put them in here. Make sure to check the button, create new campaign, put in the campaign name, put in the share code, hit create, and it's automatically pulled over to your account for duplication. So now just imagine you're a company, you've got a large team, you got 100,000 distributors. Set this up the way you want it, get that share code, communicate that share code to 100,000 members, and within 2 seconds, everybody in your team will have that identical custom campaign for your company, for your business. And we set this up for quite a few businesses. So I wanted to show you how simple it is to go in there. And we have training videos that will take you through everything. Very simple. How to use the campaign builder, adding social profiles, the stage a button, how to repost your stages. That's the most valuable thing that you could ever do. How to use my other videos. So I use this one right here, the new custom video widget. Now the difference is my other videos, you can put them in there, but when the new one, which is the new custom video widget, what that does technically is it pulls over the videos with the share code. This one doesn't do that. This one does. So when you go in there and use my share code for the TaxBot, you'll notice that all the older people using the older systems have not taken the time to convert their campaigns using this new function. But on the TaxBot video, the share code I gave you, I've already done that. So all my videos are going to automatically pull over. So it's going to make it's going to save you a lot of time. And that way you can duplicate the process. So we have image libraries, social profiles, Twitter builder, my bio, stages. Let's end up here with the my stages. You can see right here we've got the campaigns running. We've got different campaigns, the channels where it's pulling from, the number of views. I can actually do this. There's a little trick here. Watch number of views. So you can see which videos right here, 7,628 views. So obviously something is hitting a nerve, and that means they're being retweeted. 10 health benefits of drinking lemon water. TaxBot mileage and expenses. Look at that. Almost 5,000 people have visited that, retweeted it because they see value. How the sun sees you. GoPro, Lion Hug. That's what I showed you on 805social.biz. And you can see right there, whenever you see a null, that just means that I put it in myself. versus maybe Vsauce. That's coming from a channel. But you can see the stats right here on the right hand side. That's the numbers of people visiting my account from the staged system. And you can, like I said before, you can certainly see which one hits a nerve. So that's it. I showed you step 1, how to go to 805social.biz, snoop around, set up your stage account. How to go to step 2, go to greatapp.biz, set up your TaxBot account. Step 3, I gave you the share code. You wrote it down. To recap, it's right here. I think it was 11. There it is right here. 11GQS. 11 George Queen Sam. Put that in. Check the box. I was given a share code. And now you're going to pull all my work, all my time over to your account. Little 5-10 minutes of fine tuning. Get rid of my links, put your links, get rid of David Lundgren, put your name, get rid of my phone number, my email, things like that, little contact information, and you're up and running. So, I hope you learned enough, and I hope I didn't confuse you. It's actually pretty simple when you have these share codes. Again, this is David Lundgren, live from the Digital Design Center, and I hope you learned enough to be dangerous. Hope you have a great day.
Live up to any expectations. What you see is what you get. And worse yet, I can't give an explanation for why it's gray on your side. Better yet, I'll give you an indication for why you're feeling deprived. We'll never let lack of an imagination keep us lost.